Children, in our last class we completed the surface area, the total surface area that is, and the lateral surface area of the cuboid and the cube. Okay. Now today we are going to start with the cylinders, that is the total surface area and the lateral surface area. So let's start. Now let's see what is a cylinder. We've already discussed about the cylinder. Generally, the cylinders which we study are right circular cylinders. Mostly the examples are of right circular cylinders. Right circular cylinders we've already discussed when the radius, the center of the two circles, the line adjoining the center of the two circles is perpendicular to the two radii. Okay. So here an example, if you want you can take an example of a tin kind of. Yes. Okay. So if we divide this, cut this cylinder, then what are we going to get? We will get this circle. This curved surface, it's a curved surface. If we open it, if we cut open from here, it is in the form of a rectangle. Correct? And above circle, this one. So this is the total surface area of the cylinder. Correct? This plus this plus this. Now we know the radii is here. So what is the area of these two circles? Pi r square. Pi r square. What is the area of this rectangle? Length into breadth. Now what is the breadth? This is the breadth. Yes, this is the breadth, that is the height. So instead of breadth we can write height. And what is the length? The curved portion, this portion. That is the boundary, that is the perimeter, that is the circumference. That means 2 pi r. So what is the area of this rectangle? Length into breadth, 2 pi r into h, that is 2 pi r h. Now if we add the total, if we do the total, that is pi r square plus 2 pi r h plus pi r square, we will get the total surface area of this cylinder. Okay, so let's do it. Total surface area is equal to area of the circle pi r square, area of the rectangle 2 pi r h plus area of the circle, that is pi r square. Now you can see there are pi r square and pi r square 2 common, so they will get added. So 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now if you see in these two terms, children, you will see 2 pi r common. So let's take it out. So 2 pi r, what is left here? 1 r is left. So r plus h. So what is the total surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay, this is the total surface area. Very simple. Cut open the cylinder. Okay, you will get the two circles, one on the top, one on the base, and the rectangle. Okay, the length and the breadth of the rectangle is given because this distance is given. This is the height, which is actually the breadth, this area. And what is this? This is this distance, that is 2 pi r. Very easy to find out 2 pi r. Why? Because r is always known. Okay, so total of these gives the total surface area. Now when we talk about lateral surface area, yesterday only we discussed of the lateral surface area. When we do not include the top and the base and find the area of a solid, then that area is known as the lateral surface area. So here we will exclude the top and the base. So what is left? Only the curved surface. So this is the curved surface. So what should be the lateral surface area? The lateral surface area is 2 pi r h. Okay. So what is the total surface area? 2 pi r into r plus h. And what is the lateral surface area? 2 pi r h. Okay children. So this completes the total surface area of the cylinder and the lateral surface area of the cylinder. Now depending upon these, there is a try these. Let's do it. Here children, it's on page number 182. Page 182. The try these is given. No, we have done this yesterday. Cylinders, talking about cylinders. 184, page number 184. Page 184, find the total surface area of the following cylinder. So we have to find the total surface area. We are not finding the lateral surface area. Okay. So two cylinders are given. I am just marking them first and second. Here radius is given 14 centimeter and height is given 8 centimeter. And we have to find the total surface area. That is TSA. Total surface area. So 2 pi r. We discussed this just now. So this is the total surface area. 2 pi r into r plus h. So 2 into either you take 3.14 the value of pi or you take 22 by 7. Depends on you. Into r is 14 and r is 14 again and h is 8. 7 and 14 can get cancelled. 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 4 22s are 88. 88 into this is 22. So now we multiply 88 and 22. So the answer is 1936 centimeters square. Student, this completes the first one, the triaries of page 184. Let's do the next one now. The next one where the height is 2 meters and the diameter is 2 meters. Height is 2 meters, diameter is 2 meters, so radius will be d by 2, that is 1 meters. Okay, so here we have to find the total surface area once again. So total surface area of a cylinder is equal to, we studied just now, 2 pi r into r plus h, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into what is r? 1 and 1 plus 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4, so this is 44 by 7 and into 1 will give us the same into 3. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 4s are 13. 132 by 7 if you want, you can subtract further, divide further and find out the answer, or if you want, you can leave till here only, because since it's a try these. Okay. So this completes the try these, children. Now after this, we are starting the exercise 11.3. This try these, please do it in book, children. Try these has to be done in book. Starting with exercise 11.3. So there are two cuboidal boxes, okay. Actually one is a cuboid and one is a cube. As shown in the adjoining figure, which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? Lesser amount of material means how much material will be required. So children, there can be two things. Either you find out the surface area, or even you can do it with the volume. How much volume they will cover? Okay, that much area. So either you do it with the total surface area, or you can do it with the volume. Either of the two things. So the two cuboidal boxes, what is given here? The length, breadth and height of both is given. Okay, so we'll write that. Length of the cuboid breadth of the cuboid, height of the cuboid, so length is 60, 40 and 50. We find the volume, because who will have a greater volume? Who will be bigger, and who will have a smaller volume? Will be smaller. That means it has taken less material to get constructed. Okay, so depends. So either if you want, you can find out the volume, or if you want, you can find the total surface area. This will be a little easy. Why? Because you are only have to length into breadth and height. 60 into 40 into 50. 6 4s are 24. 24 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 2s are 10, 11. 120 and 3 more 0. See? Easily it came. Centimeters cube. And each side of the cube centimeters. Volume